The Alliance Duel is one of the essential events in Dark War survival. Completing the duel will help us progress more quickly. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. We are creating a video series combining tips and guides for the Alliance Duel, including the Excel file we use to plan our points. Feel free to share these detailed guides with your members to help your alliance earn more points. Fundamental. In Part 1, we highlight the significance of duel research. We must prioritize this research to unlock all point bonuses for the Alliance Duel. Once you unlock a point bonus, it will be directly reflected in the list, and the number will turn green. This simplifies things since we won't need to do the math to determine the bonus points. For instance, if we fully max out the duel research, the points for every 10,000 wood gathered will be 103. If your points differ from ours, you may haven't completed all the bonus point research. You can modify the points column in Excel for the planning chapter later. Tasks. We can earn points from a variety of tasks. Some of these tasks are repetitive, which we have highlighted in color, while others are not. Although we have maxed out the duel research, there are still challenging days to complete. Therefore, we must create a strategic plan to effectively gain over 2 million points in every duel. For example, Day 1 includes repeating tasks such as the Precision part and the Wisdom medal, also present on Days 4 and 5. However, completing the tasks on Day 1 is relatively easy, even without using the Precision part and Wisdom medals. Consequently, we will not use them on Day 1 and will save them for Days 4 and 5 instead. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Day 1 Planning. Gathering resources will earn us the most points on Day 1. If you've unlocked the last heavy lifting research, you can gather from level 8 mines. They provide 20 million gatherable wood, iron, electricity, and 3,800,000 coins. However, if you haven't unlocked it yet, don't worry. You can still send multiple rounds to lower level mines at a similar gathering speed. The first tip is to avoid gathering coins. Instead, focus on wood, iron, or electricity. While gathering coins does give double points, the amount collected is 5 times less than that of regular resources. Since the gathering time is similar, we will earn significantly fewer points if we choose coins over the other resources. So, prioritize wood, iron, or electricity. We can earn over 200,000 points per truck in about 12 hours. If we send out 4 trucks for 3 rounds of gathering, they can yield over 2.4 million points. But how can we send them for 3 rounds when a day consists of only 24 hours? Here's the second tip. Send the trucks out before Day 1. If a gathering truck takes 12 hours to complete, we can dispatch it 12 hours before the reset. It will finish gathering right when Day 1 begins, earning us an extra round of points. If you can't achieve over 2 million points from gathering, use some construction or research speedups to fill the gap. We don't recommend other tasks such as training speedup, wisdom medals, and precision parts. We should save those for more challenging days ahead. Besides speedup, we will also earn points from the CP increment from construction and research. We can use the third tip, delay completion, to earn extra points from research CP. When research is completed, don't click the complete button immediately. Let it sit, and click it on Day 1. You can also time it so that the research finishes on Day 1. However, if you find this method cumbersome, you may skip it. Let's say we only have 3 trucks and can only manage to send them for 2 rounds of gathering. This will net us around 1.2 million points. We can fill the gap by spending about 7 days of speedups on construction and research to complete the Day 1 goal. Make your plan using this spreadsheet. The link is in the description. Alright, it is the end of Day 1 tips and guide. Please share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.